I'm a little late, but it is what it is. So my apology, guys. It's just been a little slumpy, a little lagged. So, but hopefully you're having a great day. You know, or time, or morning, afternoon, from whatever time y'all watching this. And I'm just grateful to be, woken up to go after my dreams, my goals, and hopefully you guys are as well. As always, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what is it that we did for 9:30 opening range gap. The way you guys see that is by going all the way down to your right and hitting regular trading hours. Usually we have it in electronic trading hours, which is where we trade from. But to see the 9:30 opening range gap, that's where we go ahead and click to be able to see what happened. Right, so we can see that on ES we had gapped into premium. You guys can see that it already came all the way down lower and filled it with sell side, a lot of wicks. So if we was to dive in, you can see that it was a lot of up and downs. Doing so, same thing here, a lot of wicks. So you can see that it was a lot of up and down while filling in the 9:30 opening range gap for NQ as well. We do have a little bit, right? But again, just by looking at the wicks, we could go ahead and see that it was a lot of up and down. So currently right now, after going from premium to discount to now back in premium, currently right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Put this on the side, and then you're gonna go ahead and drag this one so both of them are together. Right, so ES on our left and Q on our right. So real quick, you guys can see I did speak about how on my Sunday recap that I was aiming to see price run into these weekly, right? This is a whole weekly SIBI, and also it's a breaker right here, right? So we have a high, low, high, high, and a breakthrough, right? So this high, this low, and then this high, and then the breakthrough, right? Low, high, high, low, high, high, breakthrough. Same thing. High, low, high, high, breakthrough. They both inside the weekly SIBI. It's still a lot that we are around, right? This still, if we was to be paying very closely, we could see that all of them, except for this weekly buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance, which is from this candle here to this candle here, it's pointing. It basically was the momentum to getting us into this weekly SIBI, sell sign efficiency, buy sign balance. And having this inversion here, which is still valid because again it's a weekly candle, right? So we still looking at that. We also have another one in here, so it's all pointing down. So if you was to go back down into that area again, then we could be aiming for these lows and these lows, which are basically relative equal lows, right? Same thing here. We have a weekly inversion, weekly SIBI, and the momentum that we have gotten this weekly SIBI back into, basically to this weekly SIBI. All right, so daily, we do have news at 10. It's nothing crazy though. It's a orange folder, but it's better than yellow. You guys can see from the daily, we have a lot of basically prices balance showing from this time frame. All right, same thing here. You have a hour, right? 1 second. You cough in mine. Okay. We have a hourly time frame in here, in which we could see that we had turned it into a 1 hour inefficiency. I mean, yes, 1 hour inverted SUG. Right now we have another one currently up here. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight it and mark it. I'll say. And so we have we have an hour busy, right? Because we can see that the first move we did was a dig lower, right? Taking out some sell side or sell stops, right? Sell stops, and this place going higher. So again, we already filled on both sides, so we gotta just pay attention to that. What is the high here? Is already 10, so 82, 25. The low 43, 25. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this current below. Make sure we are paying attention to all of it. We have one here in which I'm just gonna mark it either way. Actually, let me see. No, let's mark this one because we're going back into this one. What is the low? 815. 1150. I want to go ahead and mark these just in case she does decide that she wants to maybe go a little bit higher. Who knows? $44.50. So you guys can see we didn't really do so sweep any from previous day, but from today we did, you know, take out these sell stops down here. For NQ, definitely did. So currently right now we below it. I'm looking at to see if she wants to continue pushing down any further lower. Right now we at the first one and the second one for ES. So we back here for ES is the first our civvy, and this is the second one for NQ. We did already, in fact, around 9 went inside that area, but again, we go ahead and see if she is willing to push a bit lower. Currently we're pushing. We have these 5 minute I'm looking at. I want to see if they get destroyed or, you know, targeted. They can go ahead and target most likely these lows. Right now, ES is on discount. And NQ is inside the 930 opening range gap. So I'm paying attention to all of it. Just waiting a little bit, seeing if he get more than what what it's showing right now. This was a 10. He slipped. Ease out. Currently trading above it. Again, if she does want to go any lower, see like a nice. You can have these as target, into here. If she wants to go any higher, we have these buy side up here. A lot of up and down. Let me check the forecast. Yeah, that news already passed. Is the high 809.50? Yeah, down 1275. Nope. Even if we displace going higher, I'm gonna know that it's still gonna be a bumpy roll. Plus, we do have these highs up here, so that's one of the reasons why we go ahead and maybe reach for these equal highs up here. I want to make sure that they're actually 47.25. Okay, here we go. Yeah, hopefully you're having a blessed day, man. Days like this is where it's a lot of patience that is required from you, and it's great practice as well. he wants to go up to these. Like, there's no question about it. You have these 2 minutes in here that possibly acting from. I'm gonna go and get these in here. Take some off here. Very interesting. Alright. Yeah, we're looking nice. Until it came back. I'm in a buy long right now to see if we can go ahead and target these highs. Very tough, 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 tough. She wants to go ahead and expand and, show out. That's on her. Yeah, I'll be great though if she does. We'll take another partial off here. retracement, so it's like a lot of more caution day. Like to be very, very patient. About to reach those highs. We go athletes, hit them, we run them, we go around them. Looking at these, this candle, this red candle here. A very crazy day, huh? I never seen something like struggle so much just to get like these equal highs up here, bro. It's insane. Insane. I'm gonna take them off. It is certainly an interesting day. I'm not break even right now, just in case she wants to just hit it. This is a nasty day. Very nasty day. Very interesting too. We got 3 down candles. Okay, so now I'm looking at these right here. How do we go ahead and react from these? I would love to see it trade to and through it, and then possibly maybe get in some more buys. But it has to show me that it wants to push through that. That's the only way. That's the only way, bro. Yeah, 20 seconds on it. How do we react? Wow. I'm on. Come on. They're really gonna just close below. Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting day today, brother, man. Yeah, okay, so we broke some. We minimized our loss, so that's good. All right, so I ain't complaining about that, brother. I am not. I am not. It is what it is. You know, broke some evens. We cut down a little bit of our loss, I would say. More of. Very Ashley. Maybe she wants to go lower now from that area. Maybe not, maybe so. Let's see if we can get some more, a little bit more of a, what's that word I'm looking for? Confirmation. This is definitely playing games, bro. This is a very interesting day, bro. Let's see. Aiming for these highs, see what's up. After that, it's gonna be these up here, but you're playing some crazy shit right now, bro. How do we close in these like 4 seconds of yeah, what is going on today, bro? What is going on today, man? Oh, dude, no, it's not good. You already, man. Nah, I don't like it. I'm not don't like it one bit. Yeah. That was 3 setups right there, so your boy's done for the day. We took one trade, it was a loss. Then we took another one with a break even, and then the third one was a no bueno. It's it's just a day where it's like You know, it's bro. You just gotta learn how to just stay put. If there's no need for you to go ahead and move, then don't. And it's so tedious, bro, because it's been so many times I've been so close to my my profit, yo, bro. It's like, look at this shit. It's going back up again, bro. Yeah. Like as much I want to jump into this is like I'll be not over trading, bro. I'm not breaking my rules. I'm just not breaking my rules, bro. Sorry, bro. It's crazy, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, yo, bro, gang, that's crazy. So nasty, bro. Like, disgusting. Like, even, like, honestly, bro, like, look at this. As soon as the bro would have gone in right there, this would have been a good entry, bro. We got in a little bit late. I'm not gonna hold you guys. And then it came down on us. It broke even. I'm saying, like, in days like this, you really had to find that good entry, bro. Otherwise, shit, it ain't getting shit. Really is. You know what I'm saying? We seen that 2 minute. It turned inverted. Just targeting these highs and the honestly, it's just crazy, bro. It's just been so tedious, bro. So freaking tedious. It's been twice, bro. 2.5, I'll say. It's why I'm aiming towards getting my own personal account. That's what it is. That's the goal. I want to move away from par firm. I just don't, cause it's like, think about it like this. So many times I've gotten my account over 1,000, right? And it's 5 challenges, 4 challenges and one funded account. Even like putting it together, right? Like I had the last account that I got was taken and positive, right? I couldn't go below like 2,500, and it went down below 2,585, and then they closed it down. You know what I'm saying? Like shit like that is like, bro. Like that day that happened, it was like I make bread in all my account, and in that one, it was literally like they cut it off, right? So if that would have continued going on, that would have been that account would have been hold down. But in a personal account, it's like, okay, I understand that we got to be more cautious in terms of we got to stay protected, and like having our stop loss and and everything. But we already have that. We have an automated stop loss for us. And now moving into a personal account, I know I need one. Like I physically gotta put one. I don't mind, like at all. But along the way through these losses, right? Because it's been a lot of up and down. I'll be able to pay myself, bro. Honestly, bro, I'll be able to pay myself. Because look at this shit. You know what I mean? Like now she wants to go ahead and even try to go after these heights. But it's like, again, I want to pay myself. You know what I'm saying? I want to accommodate myself so that I could just, you know what I'm saying? I could be like, yo, here, it's a nice pat in the back. Look at this shit, bro. Like, it's annoying, but it's like, okay, what can you freaking do but just to stay patient, right? A lot of up and downs, and it's like, bro, I would have just pay myself. Honestly, bro, I would have just literally just pay myself. It's so ridiculous, bro. Anybody that tells you that trading is easy, bro, get away from them. Yo, like literally, get away from them. Like if they never talk to you about the hardship of trading mentally, just get away from them, bro. Just do it. Because at the end of the day, they don't know what they talking about. You know what I mean? They don't know what they saying, and they just trying to get your money. Get away from them. Just stick around with somebody that actually telling you the truth, bro. So as you guys could see from this 2-minute inversion that we came and tapped in all this foolery BS before she went ahead and give us the move. It was just so many. Oh man, Mandam, what is going on? This month has been full of poopy. A lot of full of poopy, you know? Mucho poopoo. I'm gonna go ahead and I wanna highlight these after taking out those equal highs. Put this current below. You still have these to go after on ES. Right? Just wait and see. Did take out some sell stops here, and we jabbed into it on ES. I mean NQ, excuse me. So let's see how she goes about it. Again, because overall, we're already inside the weekly, right? So if she wants to go ahead and expand any higher, looking at these buy side. For NQ, I don't really have any inside this area aside from liquidity, but we do have inefficiency for ES. So look at this shit. This is what I mean for ES. Alright, if she wants to go ahead and dive in deeper into the weekly CIBI, we have these in here. You have small inefficiency that needs to be filled from here. Not small, I would say from this candle to this candle. I'm not looking at the wicks. But if we go down the smaller time frame, we'll be able to have a better a view in terms of what's balanced and what's imbalanced, and here as well. Everything is above in the upper quadrant, so that's why I like it. You can see the BS and foolery shit. Excuse my language that is going on today. Let's go ahead and drag this down here and see what Mandam have in mind. Cause she got she's in a different level today, bro. Like both ways is gonna be very choppy, right? It's gonna be both ways. Gonna be very, very high resistant liquidity, where it needs to be a good entry, right? Not, you know, sometimes you're gonna get it, sometimes you might not. Like for example, like me looking at these 2-minute, right? I was a bit late into this move, right? I'll say in here. I wanted to make sure that I get in it before this high got taken out. We was going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And again, if we would have gone in on this area here around 1008, and we would have sit around all of these, then we would have been able to capitalize on the take profit. But it happens, right? You're not perfect. We did take up one long setup, resulting in a L. Then we took another one, break even. So then that allows us to take another trade. But that third trade was no good, and so that is it. Right, that is it. I'm not trying to force anything more, and I am not willing to do that. Right, currently right now we deep in premium. So currently looking to see what is she willing to move, willing to do. Cause it's like, okay, not if she's willing to go back into these area, right, into this 1 hour, then I will be looking at these here. Right, these buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance in this 1 hour. And if she wants to continue going out lower, then we'll be looking at these lows. And then we have some low resistance inside in here. Let me make sure on the 5 minute how we looking. Yeah, we have these equal lows, or somewhat, but we have these lows. And then dipping into these 5 minute in here. That's only if she wants to do that. But again, I already showed you guys that we already have filled. After we got them premium, we went all the way down lower into discount, fill that area up. That's the reason why I buys in premium. That's the reason. And you guys can see these 2 minutes is still being intact. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. It has been traded to and through below and traded to and through above. Now we are currently in this 1 minute in here. Let's see. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Oh man, the stretch is crazy. Total. No, total. This one. I had to take off from work today, so gotta go handle some errands today later on. Okay, she traded to and through and above it. I'll take this. Yeah, take this off, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark these. I'll keep them current below. Same thing here. We have on 5. I want to see it. I want to get blinded on all these. That's more the time for the 1 minute. It is foolery bullshit. Should be illegal. It's a man. All you gotta do is laugh a little bit, because it's some bullshit. Like literally some bullshit. Let's see. I mean, this is the last 1 minute inefficiency that I could see for these guys before. Yeah, this is the only one I could see that has not been, traded to and through, which is definitely well, because it's a small little area to be filled. So I highly doubt that it won't. But again, I'm not gonna be surprised if she decides to respect that. The next thing you know, go back down the tank. Like, hey man, that shit's crazy, bro. Trading, bro. This shit is so annoying at times, bro. So tedious. So tedious. Okay, we just turned this into a 1 minute inefficiency. See if we can aim for these highs. Yeah, these as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put them a current. I'm gonna put them high. here. Again, as much as I want to get in it, bro, I gotta just respect my rules, bro. It's gonna pay you in the long run, but it is what it is. So again, most of y'all tuning in right now, we are currently just looking at price, seek higher. We already took 3 setups today. 1 loss, 1 break even, and a loss. So we are staying put. Our initial entry was from a 2-minute, and she just came down, broke even, tried to get back in again. She was not responsive. But you guys could see the equal highs that we were looking at. She got taken out. Overall, now we are looking to see if she runs out these buy side up here. This is how we're looking for NQ for ES. This is a 1 hour. All right, 1 hour in here, in which if we go down, if we overall see on the weekly, we are inside the weekly that we have been targeting to get into. 5 minute, this is what we got. We hit it right in the lower quadrant, reacted off of it. A lot of up and down, up and down. You guys can see what's going on right there. All right, we had this 1 minute place in here, turned into an inversion, came down in here, took the high that we were looking for, yes, and now we got these buy side. All right, we had another move for NQ at 10:36, another one at 10:40, and overall this is our target in here. After this is hit, that should be it for today for us, though. All right, that'll be for us, because after that it's just about seeing, yes, how much can she move, right? Just because it's like in here, she's gonna have to start moving very aggressively. No playing around, because we're already in an area where everything is balanced out. No matter if I go down to the 15-minute, like, y'all do that, because y'all go down to the like 15, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like y'all could do that yourself, because there's a lot of going back and forth. But if y'all do that, you're gonna see that it's a lot of it's not gonna be any inefficiency. Everything's gonna be balanced out, which means that in order for price to go ahead and continue going up higher, we need to have expansions like this rather than like this, because it's just gonna be it's gonna be tougher just to target these highs right here, right? So you want to see aggressive expansion, and when she reverses, you want to see right away quick movement like we did here, right? Rather than just consolidate and do all this foolery thing that she's doing today. But yeah, a lot of patience, right? A lot. I'm telling you, if I would have gone into here, there would be like a bigger percent of me that be telling myself, listen, you should have not done that. You should have not have entered a 4th trade. That was not disciplined. So yeah, I'm okay. This stings though, seeing her play out, but it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. We got about 17 more minutes. 17? 15 more minutes, excuse me. Yeah, about 16 ticks, which is about 60, sorry. Which is about 15 points is about 16 ticks for the day. So this is what it is. It is what it is. Back at it in here with ES. You guys notice as well, we are respecting this 1 hour as well. So like it looks so clean when we look at it from the hourly, right? As you go down to like the 15, the 5, bit of a different story, huh? And even if like if you're brand new and you're looking into this, it's like, okay, where do I enter? Right? On the just looking at the 2 minute, where do I enter? Well, literally, when I got my entry in here, right? We got this 10 a.m. rejection or lower, right? Which is a very significant move for me to go ahead and say, yo, if this gets traded to and through, I'm gonna go ahead and take that move, right? And around 10:08, she closed it. 10:06, 10:08. We got a retracement. 10:10, another one, and 10:12. So 1, 2, and 3. So between times of 10:08 and 10:12, we had gone, a possible entry to get in, and she consolidated, well, accumulated, I'll say, and then continue expanding up higher. And this is how we look in the 1 minute. Yeah, about down 298 on 5 accounts. That's what it is, bro. Man, what it is, cuzzo. This is what I'm saying in terms of we need to be moving. Can't be messing around in this area. We had the low quadrant of this weekly. My black line is the low of the weekly should be. So it's not really much. Just like again, just looking based off my experience, these like on the hourly, not even having to go on the 15. There's a lot of up and downs, right? So I already know if I'll go down to the 1 minute, to the 5, to the 15, 5, 1, or 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. It's gonna be a lot of price, a lot of up and down on price, which then is gonna show me that everything is balanced out. So in order for us to go ahead and continue seeing higher prices, again, I'll need to see aggressive displacement higher. But she's even struggling just to do that, and I know that she wants to go lower. But again, bro, you gotta trade what the markets give us, not what we want to see. Sometimes we get 2 doors that look too good. So then we'd be like, oh man, this door look good. I want to open this door. I want to go ahead and sell it here. Now I want to open this door. I want to buy it. It look too good to be true. Once you open them doors, gotcha, bitch. Hey, come on, bro. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this current above, right? And I want to highlight this first, excuse you, this first 5 minute that we had, that we jabbed into, and it's the high, 465, 274. I'm gonna put this current below. Did we even jab into it? No, it's still respecting it. You're gonna leave this. You're gonna leave that 5 because for now like that, because it has not even touched into it. So let's see. It's looking like we're about to get it. We're about to get these buy side reach on NQ first. Let's see. Vamos a ver. You did get some, so stop taking in here. Same thing for these guys. Got like 8 more minutes, so why not? 10:52 inside the 10:50, 11:10 micro. Let's go ahead and see. We'll go ahead and mark these just in case she wants to come back into it. Same thing for these guys. Turn it. What just happened just now? $32. Oops. Seeing if maybe from here now it goes back into there. Take these lows into this 5 minute and then expand maybe. Then have another retracement into this 5 for NQ and maybe try again. I don't see any reason right now for us to go back lower. No, that she, I'm not saying that she won't. Let's see. Yes, from here back into the taking these area up in there. Just dig back into it. I got the second interval to see what do we have in here. I mean, best thing I could do is maybe 50% of this candle here, and then 50% of this wick, 50% of this wick, and then 50% of this wick, and then somewhere in that middle in there, it could be maybe another rejection. Who knows? Or maybe not. Who knows? 3 more minutes. I'm out of here. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I think he has another one here, but ES doesn't, so. This is the last 5-minute candle I'm watching. After that, oh god. Okay. Reaction of this candle here. I'm like holding on to these challenges for dear Lord. It's been already a month be taking these challenges, and I'm okay because whenever I take a challenge, I don't listen to what they tell me. Oh, you have 1 day to pass it. Yeah, da da da. I mean, not 1 day to pass it, but you could pass it in a day. You don't need no 5 days. I don't really care about that because that's the way of them telling you, listen, go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Trade it, like basically when you're going to get like any product, they always throw you the good things first, but not the common sense. You know what I'm saying? Which is, yo, like for example in trading, they be like these product firms tell you, yo, do this, do that, and at the end of the day, just know that you don't need to trade for 8 days. You know what I mean? Like I don't blame them. They just promoting the things how it is. So, respect to them. But for new traders that come in that don't understand, you know, how these market work, it could really mess them up. So it's just they go ahead and buy an account, blow it, buy another one, blow it, buy another one, blow it, buy another one, blow it. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, it's all a business. But bro, trading, bro, like it's more of like, yes, you can make money, but the market's not here to give you money, bro. They're here to take your money, bro. Like this is a business where you're trading, you're against smart money concept, like people behind, like behind the like this business, like they know what they're doing. So you're either competing with them or it's either you competing with them or against them. You know what I'm saying? Both ways you can still make money, right? Both ways. That's what I'm saying. You can make money both ways with them or against them. It's just against them. It's a little risky if you don't know where to exit, where to go in. You know what I mean? Like, aka like retracements, continuations, and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I just take my time in it, because along these losses, it's more of a lecture for me, experience, like wisdom to basically give me more confident into my model, my strategy. I use the hourly and I trade 10 to 11, which is ICT silver bullet. And I honestly I just look to see where are we? Are we in premium? Are we in discount? And then I go ahead into that 1 hour and I analyze, so where are we in terms of the hourly, and I mix them both together. And from there, I'm able to, have a better understanding of the days that I will be trading, the day that I won't be trading. And believe it or not, most of those days comes from like the 9:30. Like if I don't see like a big gap form at 9:30, I already know what type of day is gonna be, and what type of day I expect to have, like I not expect, but demand from the market. And if I don't see that, it's like I already know automatically. Oh, yeah, he gonna do that. But either way, I'll just stay away, and I'll just build more confident. Like for example, on a day that there's no gap, I just sit down and I just look at it, take notes. At the end of the day, I'm gonna see what she's gonna be doing through like through my whole experience, trading. Like I'm gonna see more. Like I'm gonna see other market conditions. Like for example, again, if it's no it was zero to none gap at 9:30. We might have those days where we might be having big impact news and still have a raging day. And again, I just decided that I'm not gonna be trading. And then there's gonna be days where it's gonna be no gap, no news, and still expand higher, or vice versa. At the end of the day, I'm still not gonna trade it because it's it's my rules, right? And my rule says if there's no gaps, zero to no gaps, as in a nice low resistant range that is formed, I'm not trading it, because at the end of the day, what's gonna happen is gonna be a high resistant trade. And my goal is to look and learn how to seek low resistant. So I'm only in the market when there's only low resistant, um, uh, low resistant as in like something like this, right? And high resistant as in like a range like this. I already know I'm gonna have to go through multiple barriers and um, a lot of back and forth compared to this. That once markets get going, he's gonna get going. It's gonna be a nice smooth sail. So though that's what I'm practicing. Honestly, that's really all that I'm practicing, and that's all what I'm going for at the end of the day. But I'm gonna let y'all go here. I'll go ahead and show you what this is today P&L. It is what it is. 3 setups again, like I said. 1 loss, then 2 loss, right? And in between those, I took 1 position, it was lost, then a break even the second, and the third one was a loss. So this is what it is. Overall, my target is as a stop loss, it's basically like 400. But you guys can see that we preserve our currency. It's better than nothing. Like, I understood the assignment, I understood that price was not doing what she's supposed to be doing. I got the message of the day though. Tuesday, day 37. To change our lives, at some point we had to decide that rather than suffer anymore. I'm gonna read this again. To change our lives, at some point we had to decide that rather than to suffer anymore. We are going to live in it. We are going to live in happiness, and the only way we could do that is to make the decision to look for things to appreciate, no matter what. As we begin to focus on the good and the brighter side of things, the law of attraction responds by sending back to us the exact photocopy of our new thoughts. And good thoughts begin to appear. And then more good thoughts, and then more. That's why I'll fight, myself if I'm feeling, annoyed. Like on days like this, I prefer to just practice not getting mad. Because again, it's at the end of the day, it is a hard business, but it's very doable and it's possible. And I believe that my turn is going to arrive. Right? This is my dream right here, to be a full-time trader. It is my dream to have businesses, and it's also my dream to to come across entrepreneurs that I could go ahead and team up with and make things happen. It's my dream to travel the world and give. You know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day, it's money, right? Like, yesterday I was just walking and I got a tip from at work, right? Cause I work ambulant, right? And I got a tip from a patient, and I don't do this for the tip. They just gives me the tip. I was like, okay, thank you. So it was like $10. I end up buying something, and then come back home. I was like, yo, let me get like a bev or something. So as I'm going to the store, I seen this guy digging through trash, and I'm like, hopefully he's there. He's just gonna spend I'm probably gonna just spend like $1 or $2. And honestly, I think I had like $6 left, so I was just like, here, have it. Cause at the end, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I want to do, bro. You know what I mean? Like, there's so many selfish people out there that they have and don't give. And again, I respect that. It's your money. Do what you want to do, right? I ain't throwing myself to nobody, but that is one of the reasons why as well I am here. You know what I'm saying? I want to serve my purpose, giving back as much as I can, because this is a beautiful skill set that's gonna create generational wealth, right? And I truly want to continue to get better at it, so that my kids in the future have option to enter this business if they would like. I'm gonna be like, hey, listen, I do this. If you want to learn, I'll gladly teach you. And it has so many advantages to it, right? It just not only teaches you about money, but it teaches you about yourself. You know, patient. How disciplined are you? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a beautiful skill set, and I wouldn't even trade it for nothing, right? Um, but yeah, I gotta go ahead and I gotta step out because if not, I'll probably just be rumbling. But as always, 5 P's: proper preparation, prevent poor performance, and like my mama always say, be the first one in the room and the last one to leave. Apply that to everything you do. Get there on time. If you gotta be there at 5:30, be there at 5. I'm serious. Right? And then be the last one to leave. Right? Um, and no question is stupid question. Remember that. But yeah, have a great one. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay safe. Have a blessful day. Peace.